In a land where the wind sang secrets, a wanderer paused, listening. "What do you seek?" the wind whispered. "Purpose," the wanderer replied. The wind swirled, revealing a path of shifting sands. "Follow the melody," it urged. With each step, the wanderer faced mirages of doubt and fear. "Why continue?" a shadow asked. "Because the song is not yet over," the wanderer answered. At the journey's peak, the wind's song crescendoed, unveiling a horizon of endless possibilities. "Your purpose is the journey," the wind sang. Inspired, the wanderer danced with the wind, embracing the endless melody. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.